3 must-try detox smoothies for weight loss, quick and easy to make. For today's video, we'll share with you a collection of detox smoothie recipes that would help you lose weight by speeding up your metabolism, improving your digestion, and sustaining you for hours. Plus, they're all super quick and easy to make. Now let's jump right into our recipes. Number 1. Blueberry Antioxidant Smoothie. We're starting with the Blueberry Antioxidant Smoothie. For this recipe, you'll only need 1 cup of blueberries, 6 ounces low-fat blueberry Greek yogurt, and lastly, half a cup of ice cubes. Just combine all the ingredients and blend. If you want it to be smoother, gradually add some milk until you reach the consistency that you want. Blueberries are great for the skin, heart, bones, and immune system. Blueberries also help with muscle recovery after exercise because of the antioxidants in them. Apart from antioxidants and fiber, blueberries are also loaded in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. They're also fat-free and have a lower sugar content unlike many other fruits. Number 2. Luscious Healthy Lemon Curd Smoothie. For the second recipe, we have Dr. Mercola's Luscious Healthy Lemon Curd Smoothie. For this recipe, you'll only need 2 to 3 lemons, half a pineapple, 1 banana, 2 avocados, and a handful of leafy greens such as spinach. Cut the pineapple and lemon into small pieces while keeping the rind. Then run them through a juicer to separate the juice from the pulp. Combine this juice in a blender together with the bananas, avocados, greens, and blend until smooth. Lemons have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. They're also a great source of vitamin C that's vital for a healthy immune system, bones, and heart. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and they're also fat and cholesterol-free. Pineapples, meanwhile, are good for digestion and are also rich in vitamin C. Avocados are low in sugar and full of healthy fat that suppresses appetite, high in vitamin E, potassium, B vitamins, and folic acid. Spinach is also rich in folate, vitamin A, iron, potassium, calcium, and zinc. Also, studies have shown that spinach prevents fatty food and sweet cravings. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and click on the bell icon to be notified once we upload a new video. Number 3. Fat Burning Detox Smoothie. For our final recipe, we have this delicious Fat Burning Detox Smoothie. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 cup brewed and chilled green tea, 1 to 2 pieces of ginger, half a cucumber unpeeled, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, and lastly 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Combine the ginger, spinach, coconut water, and tea in a blender. Then add the pineapple, green apple, cucumber, and blend until smooth. Finally, add the honey, lemon juice, mint, and blend again. Ginger is packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as minerals including calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. It also has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Meanwhile, green apples are rich in vitamins C, A, K, and calcium. They also contain a soluble fiber called pectin that prevents cholesterol from building up in the blood vessels, which makes them great for heart health. Cucumbers are rich in vitamins K, C, B vitamins, and potassium. Plus, the antioxidants in cucumbers are proven to be great for brain health and help prevent various types of cancers. They also contain 95% water, which gives your body the hydration it needs, especially during summer. And since we're already talking about fruits and weight loss, we'd like to recommend a healthy and yummy drink called the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that's made up of fruits, herbs, fiber, and antioxidants, which all work together to melt away the stubborn fat you can't get rid of. This formula is based on ancient Japan's Okinawa region that is popularly known as a place that has a long life expectancy among its people. Those who've used it are already seeing incredible results without adding in exercise or changing their diet. One of them is 45-year-old Susan Adley, who lost 33 pounds in 28 days just by drinking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic every morning. Check out the link in the description box below to learn more about her amazing experience. That's it for today's video. We hope you'll try making those recipes, and remember, be creative and have fun in making your smoothies. Subscribe to our channel to see more informative and health-related videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.